In today's tutorial, we are going to cover technical charts recently added to the Ask Kuber website. We already have a price charts available, but those charts are not providing technical indicators such as MACD, volume, money flow index. So there are many technical indicators, and every investor have a different way to use them. That was the missing part. We have a lot of users request to add technical charts. So to start with, technical charts are available under the research menu and technical charts option. When you click on the technical charts, a login screen will appear. This feature is available only to registered users. Our registration process is very simple. You just click on the new user sign up, and we need only 3 information from you: email address, first name and last name. Once we verify your email address, you are ready to browse our technical chart feature. So once user log in, so this kind of screen will appear. Right now I have a chart of SENSEX. On this page there are two parts. One part is when you provide the information about what is your request for, and the second part we show on the right hand side is the chart. In today's tutorial we are going to explain you how to use the technical chart feature on our website. What are the various ways you can use it? So we have two type of chart. One is the company chart and one is the index chart. In the resultant chart they are same, but the only difference is the input. In the company name, you have to provide some part of a company name. Let's take example of Indian Glyco. So we just type Gly. I got the full name. Our search is capable of searching company name even though you give any part of the company name. It need not to be the starting of the name. Let's say we say Indian Glyco, and simplest chart is we don't do anything. 6 month is the default, candlestick is the default chart type. We'll introduce one by one more features, and then you click on the draw chart. So here is the chart on the right hand side. Let's go through what all is shown here. Here we see the company name, the date, our company name, and this is the candlestick chart. Red candle is showing that price was closed lower than the open. Green means price close is higher than the open. When you mouse over any candle, you will see the date and the open, high, low and close price. Same way, when you mouse over any volume bar, it will show you the volume, and volumes we are showing in the millions. In the volume we see the red bars, they are the negative closing bars, blue bars are the positive closing bars. So this is a simplistic chart. Now let's add more and more feature to it. We can have moving average. So we can have 4 kind of move average: weighted, triangular or exponential. Let's say exponential. We are adding exponential average 20 and 50. What happens next? So now we have 2 more lines on the chart, which is shown, the legends are shown in the top, which is brown for the EMA 50 and purple for the EMA 20. So we can see the line here. As you mouse over the line, you will see again the tooltip of what is the price value on that particular line. Now let's add one more feature in this, which is the price band. Okay, we want to have Bollinger Band price band across the price. So let's say how it shows. Okay, on the right side we see the Bollinger Band pattern around the price chart. So as we all might know, the expansion and contraction. So here is the contraction in the price volatility, here is the increase in the price volatility. So these are the now one more feature of our charts is you can click on the chart. This is an image and you can copy this image into your place. Suppose you are trying to invest in a particular company based on a chart pattern. So this will help you if you store the chart pattern on that day, so you can later on refer it what was the reason you made that decision. We can have chart type of such as candlestick, closing price, median price, OHLC, and many others. Like say we are choosing closing price chart. Okay, so blue line is now closing price chart. We can add more indicators such as money flow index. We can have accumulation distribution index, and we can have average true range. So we click on that draw chart again. Now we will see these indicators as a separate small charts, like money flow index is on the top and accumulation and distribution at the bottom, and then further bottom is the true range. Again, on these charts, as you move over a line, you will show the value on that particular point as a tooltip, any of the chart. The money flow, here we can see it is in the red. Here it was in red some time back, now it is in the bottom. Now one more feature which we have, which makes us distinct than others, is a comparison. We can compare any company with, let's say we are comparing Indian Glyco with a Moser Baer. We click on the draw chart again, you will see the Moser Baer chart. The Moser Baer chart we will show only closing price. So one more thing here, at the top whatever price we are showing is the price of the last traded price which we have, which is 152 for Indian Glyco. For Moser Baer we have 72 rupees 25 paisa, and the chart is shown in the little blue. So we can see this price chart here mingling with the in this. Till now we have walked through most of the features which we have, which is like technical indicator, price band, moving averages, chart type, time range. Okay, I think we didn't walk through the time range, so let's change the time range to 1 month, and we'll see the chart with the 1 month time range. Okay, now let's move to the index part. In index part, the only difference is the input. You have to select a index from the list of indexes. Here we see most of the indexes which are provided by the NSE and BSE. We are going to see the chart of BSE IPO index, and here is the price chart of that. So you will see that everything same as a company. The only variation is the input, which is a name of the index. We hope you like this feature of our website. Please provide us the feedback, which will motivate us and also help us to provide more and more tools at your disposal, which will make you an intelligent investor. Enjoy investing.